guys, it's Subidy Benz here and I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, you can see I don't have on any eyebrow makeup because we're gonna do brow lamination. I'm gonna be perming my brows in this video. This is DIY at home, so we're using a lash lift kit. Try this at home with your own wrist. First, before you can use the kit, you have to open it. Each of these have numbers. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. And cleanser is the first step, but it's number 4. Hair's back and it's up. I'm gonna start with the cleanser. This is exciting. I'm about to be a new woman. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my brow hairs in an upward direction with this brow toothbrush I have. I'm gonna brush it up first just to save me time. The next step is to apply this. It says false lash glue, but it's brow glue. To be honest, I'm gonna brush this up as far as it will go, because with brow lamination you can always brush the brows back down. Alright, so this is where we're at. This smells like Nair. I don't know if perm smells like Nair, but I hope not, because Nair is hair removal. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna apply this on a brow brush. I'm gonna have to mute that. So I'm keeping this covered up for 10 minutes and we're gonna see how this looks.
1 eternity later.
So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off. Wow. Yo, this smells like Nair, and I don't know what perm smells like, but I'm assuming it also smells like perm. So a bowl of water, I'm gonna dip my cotton ball in this water. I'm gonna wipe this solution off. All I can know how is, oh, my eyebrow hairs are straight. Look at this. Did I lose brow hairs? I didn't. Okay, great. I look crazy. Next up is the fixation. I just dip my brush into here. It neutralizes the brow. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Oh, it feels warm on my brow. Man, I already know my skin's about to be red. I can tell. This is what's happening right now. So according to instructions, I need to put more foil on top of this. So I'm gonna layer this on my brows for, I'm gonna put this on my eyebrows for an additional, so it's 45 minutes, but I'm gonna put it on for 10 minutes because this is fucking brow perm and, you know, I don't wanna go brow bald, you know? So yeah, we're gonna put this on. Hey Siri.
What do you want?
Set a timer for 10 minutes.
I can't do that.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
So guys, I just applied the fixation. Ooh, I just dropped the fixation. All right. Oh yes, there we go. So clean tool. Oh wow. Oh, the clean tool gets a little caught up. Like I should put more. I lost a brow. I lost a brow hair. Oh no. We're not doing this. Can't be a clean tool. Oh, I was using it the wrong way, y'all. I was using it backwards and I was shaving my eyebrow hairs off. Okay, I got it right this time. So you're cleaning all the product off these brows. Well, this side of the clean tool doesn't have anything on it. I'm gonna just use this side. Just make sure you use the side of the cleaning tool that doesn't have like ridges, because you will rip your eyebrow hairs out. Oh my, wow. These brows are different. I'm gonna go back on the clean side. So I am going to take a cotton swab with a dab of water. I'm gonna tint my brows. You thought I didn't have brows? Nah, they were just curly. They were just curly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse the brows. Hopefully none of this cleansing gets in my eye. It doesn't work that well. Yeah, these brows are like, I'm a new woman. I'm a new woman. This is a new regular part of my brow routine. Once I get the hang of this, it's only gonna take me no more than 20 minutes for a month worth of results. I think it's pretty worth it. So we have, you can see they're a little red and irritated. That's okay. I'm so scared to cut them. What the fuck? Whoa! So I went ahead and applied. I was gonna skip step 3. Go ahead and follow through with step 3. Do my brows, but in this I can. Wow, this is insane. What if I just wore them like this? Oh, come back here. It's a little too close to the tail. Ow! I'm so sad. I mean, this looks amazing, but it hurts. It looks like I'm actually gonna, this looks pretty nice, huh? I'm going to comb this up. I'm going to trim a little bit.
I didn't realize it would sometimes be more than whole, but the wholeness was a rather luxurious idea, because it's the halves that halve you.
I'm going to wax my other brow off camera because this shit hurts and requires a lot of focus, and I will be back with the finished result. So this is the finished result. These brows are fucking fire. Like, whose brows are those? Even without the tint, they are quite amazing. So your brow, you can do all the way up. That's a look. You can say, ew, I hate this. And you can do it straight back to the side as you had them. But I think I want to find a good median. I'm going to brush them diagonally. I'm going to press these hairs up here up. The rest is going to be diagonal. I just drag the brush across there. That is a brow look I think I want. Do this side. This is a finished result. I'll probably continue to play with these brow hairs. I need to sleep on this brow. Like, literally, I need to go to sleep, wake up, and see how I feel about it. But for the most part, this literally looks like my brow tutorial. I just filmed and uploaded on how to fill in your brows, but it's better, and it's gonna be here when I wake up. That's the golden part. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys have a good one. I have a hard time saying goodbye, but goodbye. Peace.